Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand today Leetcode problem that we have in the daily contest series. So this is question number 2138 from the Leetcode, and it is saying that we have to divide a string into a group of k size, right? Means let's suppose we have given a string here and we have given k we have given. So we have to split this string, or you can say we have to divide this string in such a way, right? We have given k, so we have to take each substring with the size k, and if there is missing the last one, then we have to fill it that string. Okay, so we'll understand more, but just go through the statement that we have given. You pause this video and go through from here, so we'll understand. Okay, so the string is saying that the question is saying that the string s can be partitioned into group of k size, and there is some rules out there. Means the first group consists of k characters of the string, and the second group consists of next k character of the string, and so on. So each element can be part of the exactly one group. You cannot take this group, this element, you can say this character into this group, and this group, right? Like that you cannot do. For each for the last group, if the string does not have k character remaining, right, means that case the character will fill is used to complete the group. Now what we have to do, we have to do that, we have to also focus that, note that the partition is done, so that after removing all the fill character from the last group, if it is exist, connecting all the group in the order, the resultant string should be s, right? And we have given the string s, size we have given, and these things we have given, right? So we'll return the array denoting the you can say composition of every group s that has been divided into this with respect to the above procedure, right? So string we have given like this, we have given k, we have given, and we have to fill with the x if it is absent in the last group, right? Any character is absent, you will fill this with this one. Okay, it means let's suppose we have given a string s, any string is given, and then we have given k, right? So there will k value will be there, right? So let's suppose 3 is given, right? It means we have to divide this string in such a way that it can be divided in the subset of string or substring, right? So substring s1, substring s2, and substring s3 we can say. So each of them is called a group. So this group will contain a set of how many characters? 3 characters. So this s1 will get a substring of how many characters? 3 characters that can form a group s1. Similarly, we can make another group, so next 3 character will come, but this first character that we have taken, let's suppose that will not come here. Okay, let me explain more what I'm talking about. So what I'm saying that, let's suppose we have a string s. In this case, what we have? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. How many character? 3 character, 3 character, and 3 character. Total 9 characters we have, right? In this case, and k we have given is what? 3, right? So we'll take k equal to 3, right? It means we have to make the 3 groups, right? So we'll take the first 3 group. Let's suppose we'll call ABC. So these 3 character will not go any other group, it will stay in this group only. Okay, the next will go what? D, E, F, right? So this is another group. So these 3 character D, E, F will not go to the any other character, any other group. Then next we'll have what? G, H, I, right? So 3 group we have it. So we'll do combine it and we'll return this, right? So this will be your output. Okay, next understand, if we have the string, let's suppose s, right? And this s string contain what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J, right? How many characters we have? 3 character here, 3 character here, 3 character here, but there is only 1 character. We need 2 more character. Let's suppose I'll call it as a x, right? So 3 characters also get filled here, right? How many characters is here? 3, 3, 3. Now after filling this will become 3. So how many group will be there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this is 4 group, because k is also given here 3, right? And so we can fill the last group that has only j was there, right? Means we need 2 more character we needed. So we have filled with the x, right? So that we have formed the group 4. Understand? So once you form this one, after filling the number of character in the group 4, you will return all these substring together, right? Like you can see here, right? We can return it. Understand? Till now, I don't think there is any understanding issue. Okay. Now understand what will be our approach, right? So just you imagine that you are slicing a loaf, right? Let's suppose there is a loaf of bread, you can say, right? So this is a loaf of bread is there, right? And we want to do slicing, right? Let's suppose you are going this Subway or somewhere, right? And you can see there that they are doing slicing, and then they are giving, right? So if there is a 16-inch bread is there, so if you are taking half, they will give you the 6-inch, right? That you can take it, right? That we can do. So like that, if the requirement is, if you have a bread, right? The loaf bread is there, right? So just think that you are slicing a bread into piece of equal size, and that is called, the size is called k, right? So we'll do the slicing, right? So if we are doing the slicing with the k slice per slice, right? This slice we have size is k, the size will be the k, right? All of this. So when you start cutting the piece by piece, so at the very end, let's suppose it is not becoming k, right? It is shorter than this one, right? Let's suppose this one is shorter, right? At the very end, right? So if there is a smaller leftover slice than the smaller than k, right? In that case, you just fill it with some placeholder. You put something, right? Let's suppose I'll put something here, and we'll make it you can say we'll fill it, you can say. So we can fill it like a empty filler slice we'll put there, and then we will complete the last piece. So it will also become, we can let's suppose if you are shopkeeper, you will sell this one, this one, this one, and then you can also sell this one because you have fill it, right? And then you can sell it. So this is exactly what we are doing with the string. We cut it into the equal length chunks of the size k, and if the last chunk is too short, then we will fill it with something, right? So we pad it with, let's suppose any filler is there, so in this case, let's suppose this we are going to fill with a character until it reaches to the size k. So each group should be equal to k, right? So what will be our approach? Just think, what will be our approach, right? So first of all, the very first step what we should do, we'll figure out how many group of size k we need, right? How many group size we need, right? Group size, right? We need of the size k, that we need to do, right? The second step, we'll go through the string that we have given, right? Let's suppose we'll call it for this string, and this is k we have given, right? So we have to go through this string k characters at a time, right? So will k characters will to go means starting 3 character will go, right, at a time, and then we'll form the group. Means for each group, right? Very first step, what we will do, we'll go through the string, right? Let's suppose we'll traverse or we'll go through, right? Let's suppose I'll say we'll go through with what we can the string k characters, right? We'll go with the k characters, you can say. We'll go through the string with k characters at a time, right? Then what we should do for each group, right? For each group, what we will do, we'll do two things. The very first, we'll use a substring to grab the character, right? We'll do substring and we'll grab the characters, right? Then if the group is too short, if the group is shorter than k, right? If it is too short, we'll fill the character until the right length is coming, until this is not equal to, right? It means we'll keep filling, right? What we will do, we'll fill with, let's suppose we'll call it x, we'll fill it with, right? And then finally we'll return what? The array of group, right? We'll array of groups, we will return it, right? We will return this. Understand? So just to try this approach, you can do it, right? Means first of all, what we need to, so we have to figure out how many groups of k we have to take, right? We need, right? Then we'll go through the string, right, with the k number of characters at a time. right? And then for each group we will use substring, and if the group is too short, right, it means the group is less than k, right? So at that time we'll add the fill characters until its right length is coming, right? Once this is done, we'll store each group in the result array and then we will return it. Okay, I hope you like this video till now. Okay, so let's understand the code. The string to be divided, right? First of all, understand s is what that we have to divide it, right? And k is the size of the each group will take, and this is a filler, right? Means the character that we will use to add the last group if it is needed, only for the last group, right? Okay, so what we will do, first of all, we'll store the length of string in n for easier use. Okay, and then we'll group, we'll find the group, right? How we'll find the group? N plus k minus 1 by k. If we will do, we'll get the number of group that is needed. So let's suppose this formula, right? Let's suppose how many groups we have given. So let's suppose we have n equal to 10, means 10 characters we have given, right? And k we have given is 3. Okay, so how many group will be there? Just think. So if n equal to 10 and k equal to 3, so you will put the formula what? 10 plus 3 minus 1 by 3, and what you will get? 10 plus 2, 12 by 3 equal to 4, means total 4 group you required, right? Because we have seen the 9 group, right? We have already seen how many? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This we have taken already. So till that, if 9 character will take, how many group it required? 1, 2, 3 group. But if more than 9 we will take, means if we will take what? G, H, I, J and K, that become what? How many? 9 and 2, 11. I, J, K, L will take one more, right? So how many character we required? How many group will become? Total 4 group will become, right? So in this case we'll get the number of group. So first of all, we have to find the number of groups that is needed. Then we have result. It means the result should contain how many group? 4 group will required, right? Further, we'll go for I equal to 0. If index is 0, I should be less than n, and I plus k, means for first group, right? Let's suppose if the first group will start from where? Start from 0, right? Then it will move till where? I should be less than, it will come till here, but the I should be jump, right? Once the I is completed, right? It means I should start from 0. It will come what? Plus k, means how many? 3, right? So it will come till there, right? 0, 1 and 2. Once this is completed, so I will jump from here to here, right? Now I value is 2, 3. We'll start from 3, and so we have started I plus equal to k, right? Means once this is I is becoming from 0 to 2, it is fine. Once it will reach to there, it will do what? I next value become what? From 0 to it become 3, right? Because I is 0. What? I is 0. We are adding what? K. So 0 plus 3 is 3, right? So we will skip this part, right? Means for the when I equal to 0, we have to form one group. Then next group will become what? 3. Next we will add. The next group will become what? 3 plus 3 is add 6. So next group will start from here, and the next group will start here. Like that we have to improve, right? So the I value will become what? 0, 3, 6 and 3, 6 and 9, right? Like that. So 3 group having 3 times, only 4 times the I value will come, right? And then you will get the end. How will you get the end? I plus k and n. Which one is minimum? So you will get the end. Understand? Then each time you will get the group. How will you get the group? You have to take the substring of I and end, right? So you can get ABC at a time. You will see that this is your group. If your group, you will get, let's suppose ABC, the first group you will get, second group you will get, third group you will get, like that you will keep going for all the groups, right? Now the another condition coming. Let's suppose for this one K and L was not there, right? It means two things we have to fill, right? Two times we have to fill. For the last group, let's suppose group dot length is less than K, means we have to fill the character, right? So we'll till the group is not group size is not equal to K. If till the it is less than K, we'll keep adding the filler, right? We will add the filler character. So 2 times it will fill, then it's become what? Size of 3. Once it is done the size of 3, we'll say the group is added, the while loop is exited now, and we'll come to this place. So we'll keep adding at each index, right? As I told you, the result have result will become what? Of 4 sizes, right? We have already seen the result we have updated. So result was what? 4. So this result we have only 4 groups was there, means 4 indexes there, 0, 1, 2 and 3, because we have seen that it was coming 4, right? The result. So groups we have already got, right? And we have initialized this one. Now it's time to fill the values. How will get the values? Once you will created the group, right, through this piece of code, right? So you will have ABC here, then you have DEF, then you have GHI, and then you have JXX something, right? And then you will return the result. I hope you understand, guys. If you have any doubt in this video, please ping me in the comment box and let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt, right? Don't hesitate to write the questions or any problem is coming to you, okay? Just think that I'm your brother, right? And just I'm helping you, okay? So now it's time to understand the let's suppose we'll talk about the time complexity and space complexity. So what is the time complexities here? So we are visiting all the characters, right? We are visiting all the characters of string, so it will take O of n times, right? And for a space, we are storing all the value on the result, so it will take how many? The number of groups we have, right? So we'll take also all the characters we are storing, so it will become O of n. So time complexity and space complexity, right, both is O of n. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe so you will get more updated videos. And if you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.